Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I want to teach you how to install Java or JDK, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Well, first we open CMD and type Java version command and run it, whether Java or JDK is already installed or not. Here it shows that Java is not recognized. That means it is not installed, so let's go to install it. So let's download JDK software. Well, we search for JDK in the search engine, or you can directly enter the website from which you want to download JDK, such as the Oracle site or anything else. You can download free JDK software from any site, and it is up to you from which site to download JDK. Like Oracle, it is one of the recommended sites. Download JDK version 21, which is the latest, and I downloaded it before, and I don't need to download it again. Well, the next step is to install JDK, so let's go to install JDK. Here it shows the path where JDK is installed, which is drive C program file, and we can change the installation path. I will install it in the same path and click the next option. The installation phase is finished. Close this window. Well, now we set the Java or JDK path. It is a process used to activate the JavaC and Java commands through the DOS operating system. Go to the properties of this PC. Click on Advanced System Settings. Open the Environment Variable option in System Properties. You can see here System Variables. Find the path and click on the Edit option. Click on the New Path option. Go to this PC, Drive C, Program Files, and scroll down to find Java. Click on it. Select JDK, bin folder, and click OK. Java path is selected again, OK. Well, the path determination stage is over. Well friends, now you can write code from ID Notepad or from other IDs. In the next video, we will install the ID. Now we go to Run, open CMD, and we enter the Java version command, which shows whether Java is installed or not. A message that shows which Java version is installed. I hope you watching this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye until the next video.